Hey guys, welcome to Techter's tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and learn how to set up shipping labels on Shopify. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide on how to do this, we're gonna go ahead first and do a quick overview onto what is Shopify. So as you can see, this is Shopify's website. It is actually a popular e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create and manage their online store. So this provides a user-friendly, customizable, and comprehensive solution for selling products or services online. So this offers a range of features. This includes a website and hosting and product management. They also provide payment processing, order fulfillment, and marketing tools. So as you can see, this is discovered by millions of entrepreneurs and they are choosing Shopify to build their businesses from Hello World to IPO. So this is the world's largest commerce community. They have the enterprise, plus partners, developers, and the retail store. So your store, your way, since you could go ahead and build your online store on your own terms. So they could also craft your own brand that you want, level up using different apps, and you could sell to every buyer, everywhere. Shopify is the best converting checkout on the planet. And first, to be able to get started with using this, so let's talk first a little bit on to shipping rates. So this is vital for creating a positive customer experience, controlling costs, and expanding your market research. And these also maintain a professional online presence, an essential aspect of running a successful e-commerce business. And first, to be able to get started, if you don't have an account on Shopify yet, there's a login button in here and a start free trial. So we'll click on to start free trial in here to sign up. Now here onto the setting up option, you'll be able to see some questions in here that will help you get set up based on your business need. So you'll just have to answer all of them. You could also click on to skip all in here so that you can skip this. I do recommend answering these questions in here so that Shopify can go ahead and edit your website or dashboard as per your answers. Now they will ask you where will your business be located. So we do recommend your location to set up, default shipping rates, and recommended apps, and many more. You'll just have to choose the different options in here, and then once you've chosen, just click on to next. Now right after that, it's time to create already the Shopify account. So this is the one last step before starting the free trial. You'll have an option in here to sign in or sign up using the email or Apple account. You could also use your Facebook account or Google account, and by proceeding, you should agree to the terms and condition and the privacy policy. And if you have an account already, you'll just have to click onto this login button here onto the bottom part. So personally, I try to use sign up with Google all the time since I don't have to remember my email or password. I'll just have to click onto the Google account that I want to use. Now, as you can see in here, they're already creating the account. We'll just have to wait for this one to be finished so that it will get redirected here onto the dashboard. Now this is what Shopify's dashboard would look like. So since we're just starting out, we've currently created a new account. There would be a setup guide that will gonna go ahead and help you to get your store up and running. So the first step in here is setting up your online store. We have adding your first product, customizing your online store, adding a custom domain, and sharing the details. So you can see your store settings in here as well, and you could launch your online store. So you'll just have to click onto each one of this, follow the different prompts so that you could go ahead and successfully get your store up and running. And as you can see in here, if you click onto select a plan, this is where we're going to go ahead and see the different plans that Shopify offers. So as of the moment right now, we're currently using the free plan, but you can change your plan at any time. We have the most popular in here, which is the basic. So this is everything you need to sell online, ship products, process payments, and the basics to sell in person. We also have the Shopify to level up your business with professional reporting and more staff accounts. We also have advanced and get the best of Shopify with advanced features and our lowest transaction fees. So these are its different fees. And if you head down here onto the bottom part, you should be able to see the different features that it offers and all of its inclusion. So you could go ahead and try to browse through the details in here so that you'll get enlightened onto which plan you want to use, and then you'll just have to choose onto it to use that specific plan. Now going back here onto the dashboard, we're currently here onto the home section. We have here the orders, products, customers, content analytics, marketing discounts, sales channel like online store and point of sale, and adding of apps and the settings. We also have a search bar in here and the notification and account settings here onto the right side. And for us to be able to set up your general shipping rates in the here onto the dashboard, we're gonna go ahead and click onto settings in here. So we'll just have to click onto that, and then right when you're in here already, here onto the left side, you should be able to see different things. We'll have to click onto shipping and delivery in here, and here you should be able to see general shipping rates. So this is general shipping rates. So these rates apply to most of your product. So to create a shipping zone, we're gonna go ahead and click onto this arrow button in here or the manage button, so that if you ship domestically, you can create a domestic zone. So since we've gone ahead in here, we could go ahead and try to update the shipping origin in here, the shipping zones. Also, if you want to add a rate, we're gonna go ahead and click on to add rate in here. So there are actually different options in here. You can set up your own rates or use carrier or app to calculate rates. You could also add in a rate name in here. So this is what customers will see at the checkout, and add a price. So there's option also for you to add a conditional price. So this is based on item weight and based on order price. So you have the minimum weight in here and the maximum weight. And once you're done, you'll just have to click onto done in here. Now, since this adding of rate is for the domestic or local rates, we're gonna go ahead and click onto done in here once you're done. And then you'll just gonna go ahead and scroll down in here, and you should be able to see international as well. So customers and international won't be able to check out because all countries or regions are in an active market. So to activate this, you'll just have to go to markets, and to add rate, you'll just have to click on to add rate in here. You could also set up your own rates, use carrier or app to calculate rates, add in a rate name, add in a price, and also add in a conditional pricing. So they also have the based on item weight, based on order price, add in a minimum weight and maximum weight for that. Now if you scroll down here onto the bottom part, you could also start shipping to more places. You could add in some countries or regions to a market to start selling and manage localized settings, including shipping zones. So you'll just have to click onto go to markets in here, and then you can learn more about markets as well. So as you can see in here, this is the countries or regions that are not in the market. So there are 208 countries in here. So you'll just have to review onto those things so that you'll get notified, or you'll know which of the countries are not included onto that one. Now right after onto this, we're just gonna head back again onto the dashboard, and then right after, we're gonna go here onto the left side onto the order section. So we'll just have to click onto that one, and then right after, you should be able to see the different orders in here. So I don't have an order as of the moment right now, since we're just starting out. But if you have an order already in here, you should be able to see a crate shipping label. So you need to ensure that you have a valid shop location, payment method, and address configured here onto your settings. So you'll just have to click onto the settings in here, make sure you have all of this set up, and then you'll just have to choose your package weight, shipping method, and selected by customer. Then right after, the last step onto that one is just by shipping label. And that's how you set up shipping labels onto your Shopify store. So this is actually a critical aspect of your e-commerce business. So configuring it correctly is essential. And if you think this would be helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and feel free to ask any questions in the comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you onto our next video.